Hey guys, Andrew is the artist here, and for those of you who don't know me, I do artwork like this and like this. So, in our last video, we spoke about the 5 core values that I think someone should focus on to improve their realism, to achieve a more realistic art piece. Now, one of those 5 things I spoke about is consistency. So consistency, as I said before, is about applying those values throughout the art piece, but consistency also lends over into discussion on proportions. Because in order for your art piece to look realistic, you must have your proportions on your canvas. It must be consistent with what is the proportions on the original reference piece. Now, building on that discussion, other things that you can do to ensure that your art piece looks realistic is trying to create depth. Now, you have to remember that we exist in a 3-dimensional universe and not a 2-dimensional universe. So although the canvas is 2-dimensional, you have to try to create depth on that 2-dimensional surface. Now what we do is we focus on light, medium, and dark, because how light hits a person's skin, it will reflect differently according to what part of the surface the light is kissing. So for example, right now, I have a light source to my right, which will be to your left. And as you can tell, there is a light, there's a medium, and there's a dark. And that in itself creates a shadow. That shadow creates depth, and that depth allows for our eyes to perceive the object as 3-dimensional. So I really hope that helped. And just to elaborate further, I'll just show you. As I move the light, you realize the shadow casts it differently. If I come too close, it can look flat. So if you do not pay attention to how your light source affects the look of your overall art piece, then you really end up creating a flat art piece. So something that you can add to your skill sets, something that you can work on, is creating depth. And depth is created by light perception, by always trying to emulate how the light would reflect on the person's skin or the surface of whatever object you're trying to make look as realistic as possible. So I really hope that helped. Let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know anything else you would like me to elaborate on. And I hope that your artwork gets better and better as you keep at it. Guys, just another reminder, prints of my latest art piece are available starting at $1,500. You can get a medium size for $1,000. So be sure to hit me up on my Instagram, Art, if you're interested in purchasing prints or having a portrait done starting from $800. Have a nice night and enjoy your day.